Ken Paxton's impeachment trial is entering the final stretch. Tomorrow morning, attorneys on both sides will give their closing arguments. Teresa Woodard is at the state capitol with a preview.
Testimony is now over. So Friday, senators will begin deliberating the future of now suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton. That means some kind of Texas history could be made tomorrow.
Your Honor, Attorney General Ken Paxton rests.
The defense had one mission: to plant seeds of reasonable doubt.
Did Ken Paxton ever indicate expressly or implicitly that these former staffers needed to be fired because they made a report to law enforcement?
Not to my knowledge.
They tried to build the case that Ken Paxton never retaliated against employees who reported him to the FBI.
Did the Office of Attorney General have legitimate, non-retaliatory reasons for terminating these staffers' employment?
In my opinion, yes.
But moments later, the Human Resources Director for the Office of Attorney General could not dispute this timeline.
November 2nd, a month after going to the FBI, David Maxwell was fired.
Yes.
November 2nd, a month after going to the FBI, Mark Penley was fired.
Yes.
November 17th, 6 weeks after going to the FBI, Ryan Vassar is fired.
Yes.
Have you ever heard of the expression, "There's no coincidences in Austin"?
The defense called 4 witnesses, all current OAG employees, who said they never saw Paxton abuse his power.
There's kind of an old saying in the legal profession that his name's on the wall. It's his agency, and he's the duly elected Attorney General. So it's his law firm.
But prosecutors jumped on that. An associate deputy calling the AG's office Paxton's law firm.
Who do you think your client is, Mr. Kinghorn?
Who is my what?
Who is your client?
My client?
Yes.
Is the Attorney General.
Would you believe me if I told you that when you work for the Office of the Attorney General, you work under his authority and for him, but your client is and only ever is the state of Texas?
Objection, Your Honor.
Closing arguments are set to begin at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and each side gets 1 hour. In Austin, I'm Teresa Woodard.
You can watch closing arguments live tomorrow on our streaming app, WFAA Plus. Investigative reporter Tanya Iser is joined by legal and political experts for analysis. And if you're on the go, we are streaming on WFAA.com and on our YouTube channel as well.